Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, and we're now at the 19th of February, 2020, just about 9:15 a.m. Central Time. Well, another strong day in the stock market to start out. You know, I was thinking about it. Why does the stock market keep going up as we keep hearing the Chinese factories can't get enough people, that if you looked at Nike, Puma, it goes on. Companies reporting that their sales are hurt. They can't open stores. It's one of demand that's there because people aren't going out in China. And they're counting so much on the Olympics that'll be coming up and hoping that that'll work and not keep people away from them if this coronavirus lasts. Well, I think I understood it last night better as I started thinking through things. Yeah, we're pretty stable in the bonds and notes, but you got to remember, where are we on interest rates? In interest rates, the game is you're sitting here at 2% for 30-year money and 1.5 and a fraction for 10-year money. So what looks better? Buying stocks on these breaks or putting your money for all those years into bonds and notes? And I think the answers come around here. That's why you're seeing, in my opinion, this going on. The metals are moving because they are saying, okay, this problem is still going to be there. The problem is the dollar keeps railing, other currencies get hit, a safety hedge, a not complete one, because if it were a true safe haven play, you wouldn't be seeing the yen down as much as it is. And this yen is getting slammed today. No question about what's going on there, as Japan has its own serious issues at home. In the grain markets, the wheat market that exploded yesterday, and that's the only word I could use, up 25 cents. I make you a promise. I was running around the office, why is wheat up? We were talking to our millers, we were talking to exports, and I came to the conclusion we were back from a holiday and the market was going to just be a crazy day in wheat, and it's like a pork belly used to be. Well, it's given back half of that already today. Beans starting to let go to the downside as well. I still don't see China opening up their ports and taking in an awful lot of product yet. I read today that there's now bonus programs in Beijing and Shanghai to bring in workers from other provinces that have been cleared so that they can get into the factories. And we're talking bonuses, put together a program, bring your neighbors, bring them back to work, things of that nature. So there are definite issues going on there. We're going to get today the Federal Reserve's meeting. Remember, it's the last minutes. It's going to take into account, to some degree, it should, the coronavirus situation, but I don't see it being a setting of foundation for much. The producer price index up 0.5, okay. We're looking at the PPIX food and energy up 0.5, both beating the numbers. Personal consumption, that's strong, up 0.6. And they revised the December PPI final number up 0.1. So we're getting a little bit of an increase there. I think we've wanted to see that. Now in housing, it's a mixed bag. Yes, the housing starts themselves fell 3.6%, but I'm all focused on the permits, the stuff yet to come on. And that jumped 9.2%. They were expecting it up 1%. That is the blowout number, in my opinion. And they revised the December housing starts up. So you can afford that bit of a drop here that the market came in. Is it a bad drop? No, the market expected an 11% drop. They didn't get anywhere near it. Redbook weekly sales, I see that really, the more you look at it, it's pretty flat one way or the other. So I don't see anything that's going on there. I went to the mortgage numbers next, and in all the categories, we're getting a slight slippage here. And what is that about? Well, you know, as interest rates are falling, maybe people are just not locking them in just yet. They're looking to see how low can they go. I'm a person that looks at these interest rates all the time and wondering just how low is low. I want to remind you, I write about this. So what I do is twice a day, I put out written updates, and I put out at least one oral update a day for my subscribers, sometimes two. I put out 2 yesterday as an example. In the morning, a full subscription. I'm not talking my morning subscriber only. My full subscription includes the morning subscriber video. It includes 2 written updates, special reports. I will be doing more of these video special reports. Could even do one today. I'm thinking about it now. This is how my writing looks. Now, I don't write books. That's not what it's about. It's what to expect in the morning reports, what I see important overnight, giving you all that, then bringing you back in my morning subscriber video to see what the day's got right then, and at 11:30, bringing you up to date at midday in writing what I see, what's going on, adjustments to trades, things of that nature. I think you'll find it a pretty interesting approach to the market. Simple, not meant to take up a lot of your time. How do you get a trial? Well, you can go to our website. How do you subscribe? Go to our website. So the free trial, under free trial offers, you'll see it right there. On the website, if you want to become a subscriber now, go under research. You can do it in that way. And of course, you can get to all this by just clicking here, this icon, if you're watching me on YouTube or any of those other vehicles. In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you this afternoon with our afternoon wrap-ups. You have a great trading day.